Alright guys, today is the day that we installed the coilovers. But first, I gotta go work. The plan is after work, I'm gonna go head over to my friend's house and do it because he has a lot more tools than I do. But I don't think it'll be a problem because we won't be inside of a garage, I hope. So I made it to my friend's crib, so I'm finally able to install these coilovers. I've been holding on for so long because I've been really busy. We got a couple projects going on here. First, we got Matthew working on his 350Z. He's installing his front bumper. I'm pretty sure right now he's trying to check out his fitment. And then you got Ali trying to repaint his wheels. But care to tell him what happened?
Damn, I fucked up, bro. I fucked up bad.
How?
I mean, it's not that noticeable. It just because when I was impacting my lug nuts back on, it scraped the side of it, and I tried to repaint over it, and I had to drive fast enough. So.
Yeah. Cindy, what you got going on here?
Just filming, taking pics of the cars, helping out. I actually did his tires, but you know, he lying to you. He fucked it up though. Yeah, ready for today's coilover install? Let's get it.
Here's the before. You can tell probably like 3 fingers fitment. Probably 4 in the rear. Hopefully you can see it after, but this thing gotta go. Right? Look at this, so beautiful.
Get thumbed up.
No, you gotta be like.
Do some such
Let's shut them.
shit for
Alright.
Stock one out. Time to put in the BCs. Why are you doing like that? What the fuck is that? You caught that?
Like mine, but your car has a lower profile.
Jesus Christ!
That's crazy, bro.
He said he a drag car.
Wait, it's even, right? Looks even, right?
Yeah.
I didn't see the other side yet.
Reset, bro.
Yeah.
It's gotta be used.
I forgot to record, but we finished the fronts. Now we're working on the rears. I do apologize. I do apologize about that because we are on our dinner break. And we
At like what time is it?
it's fucking 11:16 a.m. No, I'm just kidding, it's p.m. We had like dinner break. This ain't fucking lunch. But we had dinner break and
McNuggies.
yes, McNuggies. Yep, we get back to work. All right. Let's go, slaves. No, I'm kidding. Stop. All right, so right here, you see the top hats right there? Right there, yep. Right here, these two bolts.
Okay, that's
That's all it is, but you gotta do the bottom first. This
Yeah.
is last.
That's last, yeah. All right, so basically, we're gonna work on the rears first.
Yeah,
Try and
so-
get this.
All we have left is the rears. We're gonna get that set it on. We already have a preset height on the coils. They already came kind of preset from BC itself. And that's about it. And then we're gonna be finished for the night.
Yep.
And we're gonna see how she sits. The front are crazy low. So we're
Yeah.
hoping that the preset ones are gonna match it out.
So I'm not gonna adjust the ride height right now. I'm just gonna wait.
slammed.
Yeah,
That's crazy.
I know. So I'm not gonna adjust the ride height, but I will do it once I get wheels. But I actually bought rear lower control arms. But we're not gonna do that today. We gotta wait. You got a dance sleeve? Ooh, yeah.
Whether snow or the rain, face come up, they knowin' my name. I'm smoking that gas to control of the pain. And a rover of rage, and I'm slowing my lane. Head for the top, blood holding my veins. So a nigga better step back, catch that bitch like a stepdad. Cop a new whip, shit, jet black, bet that. I was like, I can shock a lad, and you know what I concentrate. The chopper blasted, rap niggas be outside. We never worried, them pockets packing. I watch you learn in the proper fashion. Well, you and sweet, you is not a assassin. Why do you have to be problematic? They only know. You killing my vibe. Get out my zone.
Oh my god.
All right, guys, we just finished the rears. Now we're gonna put it down or jack it down, see how the fitment goes. So, all right. Would you like to do the honors, Ali?
Who else gonna hold the camera?
You gotta play character.
That is my character. Yeah, I am playing character. That was a dumbass question.
All right.
I guess.
Whatever. I'm just trying to be nice, you know. But, anyways.
Go ahead, uninstall all this.
Hey, chill.
Go ahead, uninstall all this.
All that time. All right. Anyways, I'm happy that we're finally finished with this. I hope that we're slave as fuck, yo! Yeah! Yep. Dun, dun, dun. Jesus fucking Christ! Holy shit! Jesus! Jeez! You stuck?
Yeah, I'm stuck. This is how you know, because we some big motherfuckers, so. God! Next to the car, yo.
Hold up.
What you doing later tonight? Let's try to get in. We're not even maxed, yo. See? You should have never bought the extreme lows. Actually, no, the extreme lows is pretty good because once you go ahead, because you're on 17s.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, sorry.
So you're on 17, so if you could decide to go bigger, you can drop a lot
Like
more.
in the future, if I want to go lower.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Because you're not going to want to stick with 17s. You're going to want to go 18s.
Shout out to my homies, Ali and Sydney, for helping me out with this coilover install. I'm going to put their Instagram handle down below. Alright guys, I'll see y'all tomorrow because it's late at night. I just wanted to show you what it looks like in the daytime, okay? So this is how the car sits right now. I've never been this low before, but it looks nice. So this is the ride height before like adjusting the coilovers. I have not touched the ride height only because I just want to see how it was, and we're pretty much in a rush. On the way home, I scraped a couple times, mainly in my exhaust, which is like kind of sad. So after getting alignment, I want to go to the car wash because you can see all these marks right here. These are me putting my cup in my car so many times, and also this is basically tape residue when I was trying to remove the nightshade off my taillights. So it's pissing me off, so I want to get it clean, even though there's gonna be more pollen. I don't really care. I just want to get rid of all these marks. Makes the car so dirty. So we just made it to the car wash. Go say hi, Kenny.
You're...
So what were you doing?
Oh, sorry. So we're cleaning our cars today. You know, so I'm gonna
Where's your car at?
Oh, it's over here.
Nice. I just got my alignment done. Now I just gotta clean my car. Kenny, can you explain why all these marks?
So, Simon is a Dr. Pepper addict. And,
Yes.
Shit happens.
Yes.
But yeah.
I drink too much Dr. Pepper and I always leave it on top of my trunk. I know. But I'm ready to get rid of this shit. This mark right here. You can see all the pollen. Jesus Christ. I can't believe I just took a picture with all this pollen. Alright, let's go get started in this car wash. Damn, man. Even though this car is dirty, but fitment fire. Sheesh. Sheesh. And there she is, finally clean. So yeah, looking a little pretty, less pollen, you know. Hopefully the tape residue is gone. I'm not sure about the cup marks, but. So that wraps up today's video. Thank you all for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Till then, deuces.